Royal Gourmet Deluxe 30-inch charcoal grill is everything you want for a backyard party. It features extra working space with hooks to organize grill tools, easy-to-clean cooking grates, rest under the heavy-duty heat retention lid. The adjustable charcoal pan has 6 different levels to regulate heat for your food. Add charcoal with ease and collect ash effortlessly. Circulate air through the dampers. Then check the temperature on the lid. The fold-down shelves save your storage space, and durable wheels enable easy moving. Royal Gourmet Classic Charcoal Grills come cost-effective with 2 options of cooking size to choose from. Love grilling. Love Royal Gourmet.
This extra-large heavy-duty charcoal grill from Dyna-Glo offers quality, performance, and versatility with 816 total square inches of cooking space. This grill model features a charcoal tray adjustment crank that raises and lowers the tray. This allows for quickly customizing the cooking surface temperature when grilling with different types of food. The cooking grates are made from cast iron and coated with a high-gloss porcelain enameled finish. Cast iron is ideal for retaining heat, while the enameled surface is ideal for transferring heat directly to the food for searing and locking in natural juices. The lid assembly offers a steel smokestack with adjustable flue for temperature and flavor control, along with heavy-gauge steel end caps for stability. Sliding side dampers are located on both sides of the grill to allow for additional temperature control. This grill is made for ease of use with an easy lift wide grip handle, a pivoting warming rack that allows convenient access to the primary cooking space when the lid is open, and relocates the food directly over the fuel source when the lid is closed. A cast iron and steel access door for adding charcoal or stoking the embers, sliding cook grates for additional charcoal access, a removable large capacity ash pan for quick and easy cleanup, and 2 resin wheels with 2 multi-directional casters for easily relocating the grill before and after cooking. In addition to being easy to use, this grill is also stylish with a black powder coat finish, a decorative temperature gauge with stainless steel bezel, a chrome-plated charcoal crank with bezel base and steel wire handle, a stainless steel bottle opener, 2 side shelves that offer space for food preparation, and a bottom storage basket for staging charcoal or other grilling accessories while cooking. So take your grilling to the next level with this Dyna-Glo heavy-duty charcoal grill.
Love grilling? Love Royal Gourmet.
Dynaglow Compact Charcoal Grill offers quality, performance, and versatility with 546 total square inches of cooking space. The grill features a charcoal tray adjustment crank that raises and lowers the tray, which allows for quickly customizing the cooking surface temperature when grilling different types of food. The cooking grates have a porcelain enameled steel construction, ideal for retaining and transferring heat directly to the food, and perfect for searing and locking in the food's natural juices. This charcoal grill provides customized temperature and flavor control with an adjustable smokestack and sliding side dampers. The steel access door provides a convenient method for reloading or stoking the charcoal anytime during the cooking process, and the removable large capacity ash pan provides quick and easy cleanup when the cooking process is complete. In addition, the grill features heavy-duty resin wheels for easy mobility, a stainless steel temperature gauge, a folding side shelf that offers space for food preparation, and a bottom storage shelf for staging charcoal and other grilling accessories while cooking. So take your grilling to the next level with this Dynaglow Compact Charcoal Grill.
Royal Gourmet Charcoal Grill with offset smoker facilitates all your grilling needs with its upgraded version. A new design bringing you a better cooking experience with side and front tables for seasonings and plates. The primary cooking surface is featured with a porcelain coating that is easy to clean. A swing-away warming rack provides secondary cooking space. To regulate heat, set the flexible charcoal pan at a desired distance from the food. Check for temperature fluctuation with the integrated lid thermometer. The offset smoker provides Texas-style barbecue. Open the side door to easily replenish wood. Equipped with 2 wheels, the grill is easy to move around. Royal Gourmet Charcoal Grill with offset smoker is something you shouldn't miss for your upcoming backyard party. Love grilling. Love Royal Gourmet.